we're going to learn about the difference between RGB and CMYK for primary colors. Most of you probably remember from elementary school learning that your primary colors are red, green, and blue. And this is true if you were talking about light. If you took a flashlight and put a red cover on one, a green cover on the other one, and a blue color one on a third one, and shined them all at the same place on a wall, you would end up with white light. However, if you took buckets of paint, take a bucket of red paint, a bucket of green paint, a bucket of blue paint, and poured them all together, you're not going to end up with white paint. This is because ink and paint are subtractive colors. So when you print for color, this is generally done using CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So unfortunately, through doing this, you end up with less of a color space than the RGB color scheme. Thus, you can't create all the colors. So when you take a photo with your camera or look at an image on your computer screen, you're looking at it in light, which follows red, green, and blue as the primary colors. But when it gets printed, it has to be printed with CMYK. As a result, when your card gets printed, some of the colors may not match exactly what you've seen on your screen. Especially if you use a light blue, these can print more gray. For the most part, everything will print fine, but that's just something to be aware of. And if it's something you're worried about with your card, you could request a printed proof just to be sure it's going to come out like you expect it to.